Hello students, now start with online classes and class 7 and today topic is maths. And now today is the introduction. Main important topic is lines and angles, and this topic is very important in your whole life. Now you can see guys in your blackboard now some of topics I am right. Now discussing about the first topic, lines and angles. Lines means what, angles means what. Now line, any can line, draw this. First any can line you can draw this first starting from the one of the point can line means a point like of the structure like for example you can line how like can write how like can line is structure can created means this one point only start, this is point you can mix with draw from one line. Okay, one line can created means one point only structure is starting, one point is starting from there you can dot mix with one of the line is can creating from one of the line. Now angle, and now line and angle, this line not present means angles not present. Now this is of the that's why in lines and angles this is intermixing with the lines and angles. Line not present means angles not present, you can see guys. And this is of the line, line means one of the dotted points of like structure creating from the line. This angles how can like creating means two lines intermixing one point, intermixing is one point or interconnecting at one point, this creating in common vertex. Okay, one point is, listen guys, this is of the one of the line and this line to another one line to drawn, and this is two lines can intermixing in one point to you can draw is called common vertex. Vertex means what, this is two lines can intermixing with common vertex, this common point is called angle. Okay, now this is line not present means angles not creating. Okay, means lines is must and should, angles also must and should. Now this both also can show me some types of angles and some type of lines present, you can see in blackboard. First lines, now line you can already discussing about points like point only can started with the line. Now this lines also different types present. Once you can first type is line segment. Line segment means one of the line can run, but this line this ending of the starting of the one dot and ending of the one dot, and these two dots only can means for example you can one place to another place, already you can fix with for example you Kasinagar to Kurigam to go, means how much you can do it means starting from in the Kasinagar ending from the Kurigam, already you already fix with an ending place, and you starting place also you can fix with, that's why on line segment you can fix with and the one place to another place already you can fix with in your mind. Then after, and this is only line segment, and this is already starting from in the A and ending from the B, this both also two ending points, this both also two ending points already you can fix with both also one of the line drawn, and this is all line segment. Okay, now another one you can do it means for example I am Kurgam to laugh and I am Kurgam to stop, another Kurgam to also and start from in Gunupur, means starting point is Kurgam, not in ending point, not starting from the Kashinagar. Why? Because you can ending from the Kurgam to only can start with Gunupur go, and that's why, and these two are the two ending points, two dots present, middle one line drawn is called line segment. Now understand guys. And now another one is ray. Now this is only line topic, and now this is ray. Ray means what, already one example go, you can do it means for example in Kasinagar to go, means for example starting from the Kasinagar, but ending not present, ending is go in from in Gunupur, continue not in Gunupur, continue in this process in right side to go. For example right side to go means you can keep it in a arrow. Okay, arrow means continue means arrow, one side is ending point in dot, but another one side is you can do it means arrow means that like only go, means for example here left to go in right side. Okay, left to go in right side. Now guys you can see guys, left to in go in right side, now you can keep it in left is ending point, right side is arrow key. For example sir I'm is stopping in any one point means you can do it in for example you stop this for example you Kurigam to stop, this continue process in Kurigam to stop, means you can keep it in dot only, here only dot and keep, means for example your fuel having fuel, for example you bike to go fuel to stop having, fuel not having means not having means Kurigam to is over fuel, for example here that's why only stop is not continue and that another place to not go, and that's why you can dot only can stop it process. Okay, and you can stop it means that to not go, for example that to start with is continue process and keep it in arrow. Okay, understand. For example, one part is end and one part is starting means dotted. Another part is continue process is called you can do it in arrow key. Okay, this is name is ray. Now parallel line. Now guys, lines present, so many line segments present, but parallel line means what? For example, once you can see guys, and two bike race having, and same only same. For example, one bike and one and two bikes present. Same, the two bikes also starting from one time only, but two also not then and one parallel only go. Means in one parallel means middle one to one of the wall like structure present. This is middle one to one wall. Both one another side one bike, another one side, and both also intermixing not having. Why? Because this is middle one of the one parallel. Mean middle one of the one wall is adjusting present. Now that's why this is parallel means is also not intermixing, is not intermixing and straight in parallel like structure, and that's why two lines also not intermixing like structure like present any line is called parallel line. Now another one is angle. Already I am saying in before topic. Now angle means must and should lines not present means angles not creating. Any two lines can intersecting point is one point in creating in common vertex in is called a angle. And this angle means one curve like structure. Okay, understand, one curve like structure is called angle, and two lines are intermixing one point and one curve like structure is called angle. Now complementary angle, this is very simple topic is complementary angle. Now you can do it any angles and not do it, but this angle you can do it sum of two angles is 90 degree. You can do it any number of structures, any number of do it any angles can do, but this sum of two angles, not in three angles, only two angles, you sum of 90 degree. Now one of the 45 degree, another one is 45, and this is directly you can do it when any angle to present in these two angles is complementary angle. For example, here 30 degree, another one is a must and should, you can take it 60 degree. Must and should, you can do it in, for example, here 30 degree and this side, and thereafter you can do it in a 60 degree. For example, here 40 degree, and that's why 50 degree. Complementary angle trick only sum of two angles is 90 degree. Complementary angle is a sum means what? Intermixing. Mix angle is what amount? 30 degree, not 90 degree. Okay. Now complementary angle over. Now another one topic is supplementary angle. Now supplementary angle means what? Supplementary also same trick. Sum of angle is 180 degree. Now you can take it in two angles. Now take it in two angles. Now take it. You can see in blackboard. Now this both also one of the 90 degree, another one 90. Must and should, this is also not complementary angle. This is must and should is supplementary angle. Why? Because it's a 90 plus 90 180. Already I am said in trick what sum of two angles is a 180 degree. Means 90 degree and 90 degree is 180 degree. Now you can take it in 60 degree. Must and should here what? How much having? You can 180 minus 60, you can do it means this is how much having means you means for example you don't know means 180 minus remaining one of the angle is given, this 180 minus that answer you can minus means this is another angle came. You can for example here 45 came, here not present means 90 degree. Already you can trick it. Complementary angle means what? Sum of two angles is 90 degree. 90 minus 45 45, and that's why this angle is 45 degree. Now another one is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle, this is only main topic. You can see guys, this is main important. Means adjacent what? You can side to any angle to present this is adjacent angle, but this adjacent side present but some commonly tricks present. You can see guys, this side present but common common arm. Listen, arm means what? Sides. Okay, understand. Now common vertex is both also two lines is common vertex. Okay, understand, but not no common interior points. Any one common interior points like structure, no interior points not. For example, and two lines intermixing one common vertex, and then the line drawn from the middle one to common arm. Okay, this is one of the common arm. This is common arm like structure, two lines intersecting and middle one to go means this is of the one of the adjacent side, and this is one of the adjacent side. Okay, this is like only structure, common arm, common vertex, middle to one line, and this is only two lines present, middle to one common arm and common vertex to one line drawn is called adjacent side. Okay, understand, this is only adjacent sides. Okay, this is only lines and angles main introduction topic. Now this is properly can by heart, not practice. Why? Because must and should is and these lines can properly can read. And this type of questions now some give, you can solve after tomorrow. Remaining solving some questions and give, you can send pictures. Now today topic is over. Now for must and should can guys stay for home.